will. Please pray on you. The Century Gazette. I love it. It's from Asher. Just try it for a while. I promise if it gets in the way, we'll get rid of it. It's on my book bag. I'm late for class. We put a printing press on my book bag? Well, sorry. It's from my dead boyfriend, okay? I apologize. If my grief is inconvenient to you, maybe I'll put myself on an iceberg and float myself out to sea so that no one will have to deal with my suffering. Well, just get that thing off my bag before you go.
This is outrageous. And here we go. And it had better be at a timely manner, or I will come down there and introduce myself. But all the fun will happen. Take this chair.
No, honey, listen, Cameron, I'm in trouble.
I just got off the phone with a very promising young man working at this bench to try and talk to the men about it.
No. You rejected it again?
I believe that it's what the bright red letters say.
How many too lousy parking spaces? What is this problem?
Oh, the list is long.
This is the third time, Michelle.
I know.
Third time, the bus and truck tour news committee has rejected our permit.
And I was there for every show.
Whose rejection do it?
Applicant's name does not match name listed on our company corporation.
Oh, is he serious?
Apparently you did not put your middle name on this application. However, you did put your middle name on the article of the corporation, so the names don't match until I have a middle name.
Oh, I'm the person whose foot is going to prevent him from sitting down. That's why.
Did you